A common term you might hear in a lot of different dance classes, whether jazz, contemporary, hip hop, musical theater, is ball change. Ball change is just a fancy way of saying step, step. You're literally stepping on the ball of your foot and then changing to the other foot. So we have ball change. One more time, ball change. Other foot, so you'll step on that left foot on the ball of it and then change to the other foot. A little faster, ball change. One more time, ball change. So one context you might see this is a kick ball change, which you probably will see in a jazz class more often than a hip hop class, but you might see it in both. And you're just doing a kick, ball change. So whichever foot kicks to the front, you're gonna move it to the back, ball change. One more time, kick, ball change. Let's try the other side. So now you'll kick with your right foot in the front, kick, bring it to the back, ball change. Again, kick, ball change. One more time, kick, ball change. If you're in a jazz class, you might do this to get into a preparation for a pirouette. So kick, ball change. If you're in hip hop, it might just be kick, ball change. Another way you may see this is ball change, step. Ball change, step. This is especially common in a hip hop warm-up or hip hop choreography. So if you're stepping on the right foot, then your left foot, then bring that right foot together. So ball change, step. Ball change, step. Notice that that change, ball change, is stepping and crossing in front, and then I'm just bringing that back foot to bring my feet together. One more time each side. Ball change, step, ball change, step. So there are a lot of different contexts you can see a ball change, but just remember it's a fancy way of saying step, step.